I think it's recording now, yeah. Okay, so here we are again. I'm just recording the last little bit on Lily's phone because my phone gave up. And I thought I'd do just a little bit more to the eyes, and that'll be me then. So the first part of this video is somewhere else. It's Aine Divine here. If you want to know more about what I do, have a look at the links below. I'm doing a painting on board in acrylic of my dad, who's kindly agreed to sit. He said it's the longest 10 minutes that he's ever sat for. There he is. He's very, very happy to be modelling for this portrait, I'm sure. Anyway, I'm much obliged that. Okay, so I'll just do another couple of minutes, I reckon, on the eyes and see if I can bring it to some sort of completion. Yeah, I'm standing on a pile of books here. I'm standing on those books because I'm not high enough to reach the top of the board as it sits on the paper. So it's slightly kamikaze, but it's okay. So there he is, and there I am. Right. Okay. Yeah, great stuff. Just do a couple of more minutes. I don't know how long Lily's got memory on her phone, but hopefully it'll do us for a couple of minutes anyway. Yeah, and you know, it's no harm to have a time limit. Sometimes we can do too much. Okay, so you're looking in the same direction as before. That's it. Yeah, perfect. There, yeah. Okay. So just some bit more of the shadows around the area of the eyes I'm focusing on. It's good to stand back regularly too and see what's going on. Yeah. I don't know, is there any red? Oh, there is. Didn't realise there was a cadmium red there. To be honest, my idea at the start was to just do a monotone, black and white, quick sketch, but it's kind of grown arms and legs, so I'm using colour as well. But it's still not very long to spend on a painting this size, so it is retaining something kind of dynamic, I hope. And of course, occasionally my model looks out the window as well, which means that I need to grab the opportunity to paint the eyes while it's there. And keeping myself lively, looking at everything, not just the part that I'm working on, but also figuring out the position of the jaw in relation to the eyes. And that's, yeah, just continually re-establishing things as I stand back, seeing what needs to be looked at again. I think you're getting a little bit lively there, are you? Huh? You're getting a bit lively there, ready to rock and roll? Yeah. I did say another 2 minutes, so I'm gonna do something on maybe the eye on this side as well. And just finalise things as I stand back. Some things kind of reveal themselves as I work, so I don't want to really have too much of a plan either. Okay. Maybe a bit of that white could be used up there too, maybe. I'll just do some bit of an indication of that eye, and then he's off the hook. Okay, literally now at the last 2 minutes, honestly. I'm not gonna, that'll be it then. So finding the position of the eyelid on this side by drawing a line through the nose to see where it would cut through that eye. It looks like it's about there. And then to just make sure that the eyes are looking in the same direction. kind of important. It's nice the way the light is catching the eyelid. And you know, I kind of like, I know that looks a bit strange, but I quite like the way the eye ended up there with my hand drawing around the pupil. So I'm just going to see if I can leave that effect. I'll show you what I mean. It's a bit strange looking, but I quite like the way the eye is there. And then I thought I could leave that effect and paint the light that's on the upper surface of the lower lid as a way of finishing off that eye. So lifting out the light that's on the upper surface of the lower lid while adding a little bit of that cadmium red to the mix. So if I can figure out how to upload this video from Lily's phone to my YouTube channel, you'll be able to see what happened at the end. And just bring a bit more of that warmth from the eyelid down this way to distinguish the eyelid apart from the area of the eye. It's still there, good. You think you have something kind of funny there, are you? You think you have a funny story or something? You're staying quite lively there, Aine, which is always a good... I'm nearly finished. Very nearly finished now. Just, I think just a little bit to the eyebrow on that side. And maybe put some light here as well. Or some of that blue mixed with the white. The blue ink mixed with the white there. And a little bit more eyebrow here. And maybe some more of the blue for the hair over there. Something in this eye here. The position of the iris. I kind of want to make use of the light that's falling on the upper surface of the lower lid. That's always a very helpful light to find as a way of explaining depth in the area of the eye. I'm just going to finish some explaining of that iris first. Oh yeah, there's something here too, isn't there? With him falling asleep there now, I might be able to get away with a little bit more time, although the angle is totally different. Dad, the angle is a bit different when you fall asleep. It'd be nice if you would stay upright and fall asleep. Although I wouldn't be able to do your eyes then. We've had a busy few days with reunions and stuff. So we're all kind of needing a bit of a siesta, I reckon. Yeah, so I'm going to need to stop now after I've done the ledge, the upper surface of the lower lid on each side, and that'll be the end then. Well and truly finished. some skin colour to put on the upper surface of the lower lid. I said I was going to do a while back, didn't I? I got stuck into the light in other areas to try and explain the topography, bumps and hollows all over the place, and then coming back in for a little bit more of the detail here. And just a bit here too. So the upper lid is kind of causing a shadow to hang over the top of the iris there. Yeah, I think I'm going to stop there, that finally. And yeah, geez, that was another 12 minutes now. Just it's true for you, the longest, the longest 10 minutes you ever spent. Let me see now. I'm just going to say goodbye, and hopefully we'll be able to. So I'm not going to touch the nice clean jumper with these hands. But thanks very much for watching, and thank you for sitting. It's been a pleasure. He hasn't seen the painting yet now, so he mightn't be smiling when he sees it. And this is Lily coming in looking for her phone. Come over here and just say goodbye. Okay. She had a lot more memory on her phone than I have on mine, and I'm hoping I'll be able to upload it to YouTube so you can see the end of the painting. Alright, from West Cork, all the best, and have a go at painting a member of your family who's willing to sit still for you.